Hi, rKavanaugh here again with BISH'S RV in sunny Junction City, Oregon. Today I'd like to show you this 2010 Winnebago Aspect 30C. It's in great condition. It's a used motorhome. You wouldn't know it's this old. It's got full body paint. It's got 3 big slide outs. It's a B+. Let's go have a look inside. You can see this nice full body paint. It's in great condition. It's still beautiful. So this is what we call a B+ or a Class C. It does not have the cab over bunk, which makes it the B+, but it's a smaller motorhome than the big Class A's. So if you're looking for a smaller motorhome to travel in, this is a great choice for you. So again, it's a B+, so it's got a 32-inch TV here plus storage on both sides. Very convenient. And this particular one already has the Blu-ray player and a stereo already set up. And on these Aspects, even though this is a 2010, they use a lot of high-end materials for a small motorhome. So what you have here are leather seats that show very well. They look like they're in great condition, and as you can see, you have the wood paneling on the dashboard, which is an upgrade. Very nice. This motorhome has the backup camera. It's the tried and true Triton V10 motor. So this thing's going to get about 8 to 12 miles to the gallon, depending on if you're towing and the weather conditions. As we move into the living room galley area, you have the standard booth dinette here, which breaks down into a bed if you need extra bed space. The same thing with this sofa. This is a very high-end sofa. It shows very well. There's no wear and tear on it that I can see. This also is it's powered. It has a power recliner switch right here, so the recliner goes up for you to hang out and relax and watch TV. As you move into the kitchen galley area here, you have a microwave convection oven combination. So where sometimes there would be an oven, you have just a lot of extra storage space here. You have the standard 3-burner gas stove as well. And then as we move back, you also have the standard RV Norcold refrigerator freezer. This runs on propane gas as well as electricity. So if you're not hooked up to electricity, you can keep running your refrigerator on gas propane. Very convenient. You have also your sink here. You have dual sinks with toppers here. And then you have an extension here for added space. Very convenient. Your control panel here and temperature control panel here. And then you have the bathroom here and the shower here. Have a look. And then as we move all the way back in this Aspect, you have a queen-size mattress. You have a nice, soft headboard in the back, so you can lay back and rest or sit up and read a book and watch TV. So very convenient here. Lots of cabinet space with mirrors, and then of course you got your TV right up here. And again, this is a 2010 Winnebago Aspect 30C, so it's about 30 feet. It's a B+, or some people will call it a C. Very nice shape for a 2010. It's got decent mileage. It's reasonably priced. This is a nice motorhome. Come on out and have a look at it. I'd be happy to show you this motorhome or any other motorhome we have on the lot. Again, I'm rKavanaugh. Ask for me. See you soon.